The engine oil inside any vehicle is the lifeblood of the engine. It's just that simple. You've got to keep it fresh, you've got to keep it clean, and you've got to change it on a regular basis. But more importantly, you've got to check it on a regular basis. So we're going to show you how to check the engine oil. It can be a little confusing out here in the engine bay. So how do you identify which dipstick is the appropriate one to check? You can start by looking at the symbols on top, and in this case, Jeep made it real easy for us. It says engine oil. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it clean, and you want to do this with the engine cooled down, so all the oil is down in the pan. You're not dealing with a lot of heat out here in the engine bay. Pull it back out, and you can see there's an add mark and a safe mark on the vehicle, and ideally you want to be right in between. Our Jeep is about a ½ quart low, so we're going to add the right engine oil to it and get it topped off. And if you're topping off or doing an oil change, you want to make sure you use the right oil for your vehicle requirement. There's about a ½ quart. I'm going to check it one more time, and we're done.